Hello, and welcome back to Coca English, the podcast where we learn one English word every time. I'm Layla.
And I'm Sam. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. In this podcast, we make learning English easy and fun.
Yes, easy and fun. We talk about common words. We learn what they mean and how to use them, so you can speak English with confidence.
That's right. And today, we are talking about a word that is very exciting. It's a word about travel, holidays, and sleeping in a new place.
Oh, I love holidays. Is it the word holiday, Sam?
No, it's not holiday, Layla. Think about it. When you travel to a new city, where do you sleep? You sleep in a
bed?
Well, yes, you sleep in a bed, but the place it begins with the letter H.
H. Oh, hotel.
Yes, that's our word for today, hotel.
Wonderful. I love hotels. So let's start learning the word hotel.
Okay, so what is a hotel? A hotel is a building. It is a building for people who are traveling. When you are not at your home, you can sleep in a hotel.
So you pay money to sleep in a hotel for one night, or 2 nights, or maybe more. A hotel has many rooms. Every room has a bed, a table, and a chair. Most hotel rooms have their own bathroom too, so it is like a small temporary home.
Temporary home. That's a great way to say it, Layla. You stay for a short time, and then you go back to your real home. Now, let's talk about the word itself, hotel. Can you say it, everyone? Ho-tel. It has 2 parts, ho and tel. Listen, ho-tel.
Hotel.
Perfect. Now, why do people go to a hotel? People go to a hotel when they are on holiday. For example, you visit Paris. You are not from Paris, so you need a place to sleep. You stay in a hotel in Paris.
Or sometimes people go to a hotel for work. They have a meeting in another city, so they sleep in a hotel near their office for a few days.
Exactly. So, a hotel is for travelers, for tourists, and for business people.
Sam, what can you find inside a big hotel? It's not only rooms, right?
Oh, yes. Big hotels have many things. Many hotels have a restaurant. So, you can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner inside the hotel.
I love hotel breakfasts. They have coffee, juice, eggs, bread. Yum.
Me too. Some hotels also have a swimming pool. So, after a long day of traveling, you can swim and relax.
That sounds amazing. And don't forget the hotel lobby.
The lobby. What is a lobby?
The lobby is the big room at the front of the hotel. When you walk into a hotel, you are in the lobby. This is where you talk to the hotel staff.
Ah, the hotel staff. These are the people who work at the hotel. At the front desk in the lobby, you talk to a receptionist. The receptionist is a very important person. They give you the key to your room.
Yes, you say, "Hello, I have a reservation." A reservation means you called earlier or used the internet to book a room. You paid for the room before you arrived.
And the receptionist says, "Welcome. Your room is number 405. Then they give you a key card. A key card is a special card that opens your hotel room door. It is not a normal key.
Then you go to your room. Sometimes you use an elevator. An elevator is a small room that goes up and down between the floors of the hotel.
And when you open the door to your room, what do you see?
You see a clean, nice room. There is a big, comfortable bed. There is a bathroom with a shower and towels. There is a television, and there is a small table with a kettle.
A kettle? For what?
For making tea and coffee, of course. Very important.
Oh, yes. Very important for you, Layla. So, as you can see, a hotel room has everything you need for a short stay.
Now, let's talk about different types of hotels. Not all hotels are the same.
That's true. Some hotels are very big and very expensive. They are often called five-star hotels. They have beautiful lobbies, many restaurants, and very big rooms.
And some hotels are small and not very expensive. They are good for people who do not want to spend a lot of money. We sometimes call these hotels budget hotels or motels.
A motel is a type of hotel for people who are driving a car. Usually, you can park your car right in front of your room. It is very convenient.
And there are also hotels in very old, beautiful buildings. We call them boutique hotels. They are often very special and pretty.
So there is a hotel for every person and for every budget.
Budget means the money you want to spend.
Thank you, Layla.
Sam, I have a story about a hotel.
Oh, I love stories. Tell us.
Okay. Last year, I traveled to London. I booked a hotel online. The pictures on the internet were very beautiful. The room looked big and modern.
Okay, sounds good.
But when I arrived at the hotel, my room was very, very small. The bed was small. The table was small. The bathroom was very, very small. I could almost touch all four walls of the room while standing in the middle.
Oh no! That is a very small hotel room.
Yes, but it was clean and it was in a good place in the city, so it was okay for 3 nights. But next time, I will look at the pictures more carefully.
That is a funny story, Layla. So, the lesson is, some hotel rooms can be very small.
Yes, but it was still a hotel.
Okay, let's practice using the word hotel a little more. Listen to these simple sentences, everyone. First, we are staying at a hotel near the beach.
Nice, the beach. Second, the hotel has a large swimming pool.
Third, I need to book a hotel for my holiday.
And fourth, the hotel receptionist was very friendly and helpful.
Excellent. Now you try. Can you make a sentence with the word hotel? Say it out loud. Don't be shy.
Wonderful. I am sure your sentence was great. So let's remember, a hotel is a building for travelers to sleep in. It has rooms, beds, and often many other things like restaurants and pools.
And that is our word for today, hotel.
And that means it's the end of our podcast for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word hotel with us.
Yes, we had a great time. Now, we have a very important job for you.
We want you to practice. Go down to the comment section below this video.
Yes, write a sentence for us. Use the word hotel in your sentence. You can tell us about a hotel you like or a hotel you want to visit. Or you can tell us a funny story about a hotel, like my story.
We read all your comments and we love them. It helps you remember the word.
So please, write your sentence now. We are waiting to read it.
Thank you for listening to Coca English. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple English words.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.